Yuck. Yeah.
Play with the chain. There you go. See? Look at the other chain on the other end.
Where's the cat? What? Whee!
You want to go in and see Abby?
Want to go watch Abby?
No.
No? You want to stay outside? Let's go back over here. Let's go back over here. I wish I had something I could put him on and slide him. What for garbage bag? Want me to pull you on a garbage bag? We have big black garbage bags, right? Nicholas, no, what are you doing? Come on, let's go by Papa. Come on, let's go by Papa in the sun so it's nice and warm.
Come on. We're going to go sleigh riding. Somewhere.
Come on, let's go this way. Step up, step up. Whee! Whee! What can I pull him on?